Let's give a look out the back door here. What's up, guys? It's Amber from the Ramblin' Richardsons, back with another video. Thank you so much for being here today. As you can see, we've survived the winter weather. The winter ice storm has come. We conquered it. Looks like everything's gonna be just fine. And so far, no power outages. You know, I remember last year, I may put in some footage or pictures about what happened last year, right here. What's up, guys? Just taking a break from work real quick. Thought I'd share a little something with you. Here in Central Texas, you know, we have some extreme weather, but nothing about what I'm about to show you here. Check this out. Look at this. Gotta be careful coming out here. Oh my goodness. I don't know if you guys can tell on video, but that's snow, y'all. That is some snow. Check that out. Oh yeah. Regular winter wonderland here. I'm in Austin, Texas, so yeah, we don't get snow. So I just got through, we have a little sidewalk that goes out to our front area where we park. Just got through salting it down to make sure that everybody stays safe going to and fro work. Thankfully, I work from home. So I'm gonna go back inside. It's way too cold for me out here, but I just thought I would share. Look at that snow. I love it. I love it. Man, look at my walkway. This is crazy. I'm telling you right now, this never happens. Not down here. Look at all of that. Look at our street. So, as you can see, we had quite the winter storm last year. We were not prepared for here in Texas. This year, not so bad. I mean, it got pretty bad, but no power outages, no snow. It was mainly sleet, freezing rain, and everything looks like it's on the thaw right now. It's all thawing out in the sunshine. It is going to get down back into the teens or 20s tonight, so everything's gonna refreeze after melting. So tomorrow it may be interesting out there on the road. Ooh. Winter wonderland. And oh, it's frozen. There we go. crunchy ice in the backyard. Just a little bit of it left. not too much. The dogs are doing their thing. A little bit of ice way over there. But we didn't get any snow. Just some crunchy ice. This is after a full day of thawing. It's pretty much all gone just for these few little patches here. So we've survived the ice storm 2022. Definitely not as bad as it was last year. Forecast says everything's gonna be in the 50s moving forward after this. 50s and 60s. Getting warmer. So we are able to survive it. It's amazing what a day of thawing can do. A day of sunshine. Careful, don't want to step in some dog poo-poo. Yeah, got some ice. Bodie's been enjoying it. Bodie's a snow dog, aren't you, buddy? You're a snow bunny? Last year, whenever we had our snowstorm, he loved it. He was out here just running straight through it. Weren't you, Bo? Are you cold? You shivering a little bit, buddy? Wanna go back inside? Let's go. All right. So I just want to take a second to touch on why everybody in Texas seemed to be like, oh my God, the freeze. We don't typically get temperatures like we did recently this past week. Last year we had that Arctic freeze, and the reason that we had such a hard time was there's definitely problems with our power grid, ERCOT. So that's definitely number one. And I'm not going to say that there wasn't problems with that. But even if we had enough power for all the residents that needed it and the power grid wasn't an issue, just as an example, here in Texas, as far as like building is concerned, buildings aren't held to the same code standards as somebody who'd be up north. I was watching Dusty on Cross Timbers Bison's channel. He recently dug a water line for his bison, and he only had to go 16 inches deep into the ground in order to run that pipe. That was all that was required. And the reason for that is because even in Oklahoma, where he's at, the ground doesn't get cold enough, long enough for there to be a reason to dig 6 feet down to run a pipe for water. And our homes, on the same note, aren't going to be built to the same ratings as they would as somebody who lives up north that has prolonged winter weather. But it's all thawed now pretty much, and spring is on its way, thankfully. I cannot wait for spring weather. Every day is a day closer to our due date as well. So we may have another video come out really soon with a surprise. I know I did a video a while back about finally getting the gender. We went and got the test for the gender, and I have to say, if you stuck around this long on this video, then you get a little surprise. The next video, we are actually going to do an official gender reveal. We got the results of the gender test. So make sure you stay tuned on this channel. Ring that notification bell. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. I appreciate it so much if you could do that for me. Costs nothing to do, and it helps my channel so much. So thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day, and as always, we'll see you on the next video.